Alright, so here we are, back in the parking lot. Driving over from the store, actually. And I asked her out. She said, no, she's got a boyfriend, but I asked her out. That's what matters, and here we go. A little bit higher than usual. Over 500 feet. Sounding jet. Actually, now he's looking lower. It was just the angle I was seeing him at. 450, 500 feet. He's heading east, pretty much direct. Approaching the DeWitt Nottingham area. I'm going to stick with him until he's gone. Definitely not a helicopter or a Cessna type aircraft or a Beechcraft or a Learjet or anything that anybody outside of the United States Air Force would be piloting at such an altitude over Syracuse, New York on July 18th, 2012.